Standing for long hours in the kitchen, office, or workspace can take a toll on your feet, legs, and back, but the right anti-fatigue mat can make all the difference. Designed to provide cushion support, relieve pressure, and enhance safety, these mats combine comfort with durability. Here are the top 5 best anti-fatigue mats that keep you energized, productive, and pain-free throughout the day. Number 1. Dexi Anti-Fatigue Kitchen Floor Mats. The Dexi Anti-Fatigue Kitchen Floor Mats are a perfect blend of comfort, style, and practicality, designed to make long hours in the kitchen easier on your body. Featuring anti-fatigue memory foam lining, these mats provide excellent cushion support that reduces pressure on your feet, legs, and joints, allowing you to focus on cooking without discomfort. The ergonomic design makes standing for extended periods much more comfortable, while the 0.4-inch thickness offers just the right balance of softness and stability. Beyond comfort, these mats are built for convenience. The waterproof and stain-resistant surface ensures spills, grease, or sauce won't seep through, protecting your hardwood, laminate, or tile floors. Cleaning is a breeze, simply wipe with a damp cloth, and the mat looks as good as new after every use. Adding to its practicality, the Dexi mat comes in a variety of attractive colors, making it a stylish complement to any kitchen decor. Whether you're preparing a quick breakfast or a festive dinner, this mat provides the support, durability, and beauty every home chef needs. A functional and elegant upgrade for any kitchen. Number 2. ComfiLife Anti-Fatigue Floor Mat. The ComfiLife Anti-Fatigue Floor Mat is designed to deliver unmatched comfort and support for anyone who spends long hours standing. Professionally engineered, this mat enhances comfort whether you use it in the kitchen, at a standing desk, or even in the garage. Unlike cheaper alternatives, it is built to retain its support over time, making it a reliable choice for daily use in high-traffic areas. Its premium quality construction features a 3/4-inch thick high-density memory foam core that reduces pressure on your feet, knees, legs, and back. This exceptional cushioning helps alleviate discomfort, so you can cook, work, or fold laundry with ease. Built for durability, the ComfiLife mat stands up to heavy use without losing its shape. Versatility is another strength. It's ideal for the kitchen, laundry room, office, or workshop. The slip-resistant backing ensures the mat stays securely in place, while the stain-resistant surface makes cleaning effortless. Just wipe it down with a damp cloth, and it looks brand new. Stylish, comfortable, and highly functional, the ComfiLife Anti-Fatigue Floor Mat is an excellent choice to improve both productivity and well-being wherever you stand. Number 3. Featol Anti-Fatigue Mat for Kitchen Floor. The Featol Anti-Fatigue Mat for Kitchen Floor is expertly designed to provide superior comfort and long-lasting durability for anyone who spends extended time standing. Made from advanced comfort PU foam, it combines the benefits of gel and memory foam, delivering excellent cushioning that eases stress on your feet, knees, and lower back. Unlike mats made with cheaper materials, this ergonomic option ensures maximum support and relief during long cooking or work sessions. Built with a high-quality PU leather surface, this mat is resistant to punctures, tears, and cracks, maintaining its shape and integrity even with daily use. Its durability makes it a smart investment for high-traffic areas like the kitchen, laundry, office, or garage. Safety is a key feature, thanks to its non-slip bottom and low-angle beveled edges, which reduce the risk of slipping or tripping. The textured surface further enhances stability while you work. Arriving in exquisite packaging, the Featol mat comes ready to use, without folds, curls, or unevenness. Easy to maintain, supportive, and stylish, it's a practical upgrade that enhances both comfort and safety in any space you stand. Number 4. Yoshiko Anti-Fatigue Outdoor Rubber Floor Mat. The Yoshiko Anti-Fatigue Outdoor Rubber Floor Mat is a heavy-duty solution designed for both safety and comfort in high-traffic areas. Crafted from high-grade, eco-friendly rubber, it delivers long-lasting durability while remaining sustainable and functional. Its perforated drainage design effectively traps dirt, grease, and debris, preventing them from spreading indoors. Cleaning is effortless, just hose it down with water, and it's ready to use again. This versatile mat is built to handle challenging environments. The grease and water-resistant rubber reduces the risk of slips and keeps the mat securely in place, even in busy spaces. Measuring 60-inch by 36-inch x 0. For inch, it's generously sized for maximum coverage, making it an ideal choice for kitchens, bars, restaurants, warehouses, boats, and other moisture-prone or industrial settings. More than just durable, the Yoshiko mat also provides anti-fatigue support, helping to ease stress on feet and legs during long hours of standing. Combining practicality, comfort, and safety, it offers excellent value without the steep price tag of premium competitors. A reliable choice for both commercial and home use, this mat ensures comfort and protection where you need it most. Number 5. Arfani Anti-Fatigue Cushioned Mat. The Arfani Anti-Fatigue Cushioned Mat is thoughtfully designed to bring lasting comfort and safety to any space where standing is part of your routine. Built with a 0.75-inch thick cushion of high-density 140 dpu recycled foam, it provides excellent shock absorption, easing pressure on your feet, legs, and back during long hours in the kitchen, office, or laundry room. Say goodbye to fatigue and hello to comfort. Constructed with premium-grade materials, this mat combines a 1.2 mm PVC leather surface with a durable, eco-friendly foam core. The surface is soft to the touch yet highly resistant to wear, tear, and deformation, ensuring it remains reliable through daily use. Safety is at the forefront, featuring a slip-resistant backing and progressive beveled edges that reduce trip hazards. Certified by CP65 and GRS, it guarantees both quality and safety for your home or workspace. Practical and stylish, the Arfani mat arrives flat-packed, ready to use immediately without curling or creasing. Its modern design complements any decor while the textured surface improves grip. Durable, eco-conscious, and exceptionally supportive, this mat is an excellent upgrade for comfort and productivity in any standing environment.